Number 1. Continuous learning. Never stop learning and expanding your knowledge and skills. Invest in personal and professional development by attending workshops, courses, and seminars. Read books, listen to podcasts, and seek opportunities to gain new insights and expertise. The more you learn, the more valuable you become. Number 2. Build a strong network. Surround yourself with people who inspire and challenge you. Cultivate meaningful relationships and networks, both online and offline. Connect with individuals who can support your growth and provide valuable opportunities. Collaborate and share knowledge with others to enhance your value collectively. Number 3. Develop emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence is the ability to understand and manage your emotions and effectively navigate social situations. Focus on developing self-awareness, empathy, and strong interpersonal skills. Being able to relate to and connect with others is highly valuable in personal and professional settings. Number 4. Embrace adaptability. In today's fast-paced and ever-changing world, adaptability is key. Embrace change and be willing to learn and adapt quickly to new situations. Develop a growth mindset and approach challenges as opportunities for growth and learning. The more adaptable you are, the more valuable you become in dynamic environments. Number 5. Take initiative and show leadership. Demonstrate initiative and take ownership of your work. Look for opportunities to lead and make a positive impact. Show that you can take charge, make decisions, and inspire others. Leadership qualities are highly valued and can significantly increase your worth. Number 6. Deliver quality and consistency. Strive for excellence in everything you do. Deliver high-quality work consistently and exceed expectations. Cultivate a reputation for reliability, trustworthiness, and integrity. Your commitment to excellence will set you apart and increase your value in any role or industry. Remember, increasing your value is an ongoing process that requires continuous effort and self-improvement. By applying these tips and consistently investing in your personal and professional growth, you can enhance your value and open doors to new opportunities.